So the inspiration behind MX could be best represented by there's paper on the shop floor for life science companies. These are drugs that we ingest, products that we use every day in our parents and families, and there's paper. I'm a technologist at heart. When I first came out of college, my goal was to apply technology to solve business problems. And seeing the paper on the manufacturing shop floor, it was almost ridiculous. It almost made me feel irresponsible that as a technologist, we couldn't solve this problem. So I knew we had to solve the problem. First started working on MX as an idea back in 2006 when we hired Matt Lowe as a product manager who came from industry and said this would be a great idea. At the time, and for many years afterwards, we thought it was an impossible task. We knew it would be valuable, we knew the industry would love it, but we didn't know how to implement it. In 2008, we spent a lot of time and a lot of money researching the industry, confirmed that it was a requirement, a need, an unmet need, still thought it was impossible. About 4 years later, in the 2012 timeframe, it became a possibility after we met with several consultants and we came upon an idea. So we've been working on developing that for about 4 or 5 years from its infancy through many prototypes and where we are today.